everyone, my name is Nurul Amira binti Aris and my magic number is 2022-897-562. Okay, this is the first sample question I will handle, so let's see and solve this question.
The present value of an annuity refers to how much money will be needed today to find a series of future annuity payments. Because of money's time value, a sum reaches today is worth more than the same sum at a future date. Next, an annuity is the current value of future payments from an annuity given a specific rate of return or discount rate. The higher the discount rate, the lower the present value of the annuity.
Now let's try to solve this question. Question B. Khairul made equal payments of RM233.71 for several years at 6.6% kepada every 4 months. Based on the statement above, state and explain the formula that can be used to find the amount of loan taken by Khairul. In this question, we need to find Khairul loan amount, which is A, present value of an annuity. First, when getting a question about annuity, we need to list R, periodic payment, T, terms in years, K, annually nominal rates, and last M, frequency of conversion. Next, we will be able to find I, interest rates, and N, number of interest periods. Based on the information list, referring to the question above, R is RM2,230.71. T is 7 years, K is 6.6%, and make it a decimal which is 0.066. The last one M is 3 because its frequency is compounded every 4 months. So we are going to find I and N. The formula for I is K over M, and the formula for N is M multiplied T. When solve and simplify, we will get I as 0.022 and N as 21. Then this is the formula to find N, to find A. After that, just include the numbers according to the correct symbols and complete using the calculator. Finally, we will get the answer, which is 37,193 ringgit 46 cents.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ali Atika binti Aznan. My matric number is 2022-877078. I will be answering question 2A and 2B.
The Semidi house costing RM375,000 cash is purchased by making 20% down payment. The balance is to settle by making 240 monthly payment. The interest charge is 4.4% compounded monthly. A. Calculate the monthly payment. So, the first step is we need to list all the information given. The cash price is 375,000 and the down payment is 20%. So, to find A, the cash price minus 20% down payment multiplied by the cash price, and the answer is 300,000. Next, the formula for I is K per M, which is 0.044 per 12, and number of payment N is 240. For this question, we need to use present value. The formula is A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of negative N bracket divided by I. Then we will add in the numbers 300,000 equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.044 over 12 bracket to the power of negative 240 bracket divided by 0.044 over 12, and the final answer would be RM 1,881.79 cents. Question 2B. If the buyer failed to pay for the first 7 monthly payment, how much should the buyer pay on the 8th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? To solve this question, we use the future value of annuity formula, which is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of N minus 1 divided by I. Then fill in all the information that given in the question into the formula. S equal to 1881.79 bracket 1 plus 0.044 over 12 bracket power of 8 minus 1 divided 0.044 over 12, and we calculate everything that in the bracket, and the final answer for S is RM 15,248.94 cents. So that's all from me. I will pass to our next presenter.
one discount rate is offered. In a simple system where the product is being sold from the manufacturer directly to the retailer, we can find the net price or the price paid by the retailer by applying the discount percentage to the list price and subtracting it from the list price as in the formula discussed above. Sometimes the manufacturer will give a series of trade discounts or more than one discount rate to a distributor or wholesaler or retailer. This series of discount rate is called the chain discount. Chain discounts are applied to the list price one after another discount rate to determine the net price, and so on. The total discount received will not be equivalent to the sum of all discounts rates, but rather less than the sum of the discount offered. Only one discount rate is offered. In a simple system where the product is being sold from the manufacturer directly to the retailer, we can find the net price or the price paid by the retailer by applying the discount percentage to the list price and subtracting it from the list price as in the formula discussed above. For this question, we need to use the trade discount formula, that is D equal to LP, open bracket 1 minus D, close bracket, and so on. Just substitute the formula with the numbers given. After substitute, the answer that we get is RM 5,325.3 ringgit Malaysia. The net is we need to use the net price formula, that is NP equal to LP minus D. Just take the list price minus the trade discount that we just get it, and we get the answer is 6,874.7 ringgit Malaysia.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Alia binti Razali, and the matrix number is 2022463294. I want to present about question 4, trade and cash discount. The question is, JD & Co. received an invoice date 12 November 2022 for the purchase of 150 dress with RM 23,000 and RM 75 for transportation charge. The retailer was offered trade discount of 12% and 9% with cash discount term of 7 per 10, 5 per 20 and net 50. The question A is, find the net price of each dress. The LP is RM 23,000. The trade discount of this dress is 12% and 9%. The formula of NP is NP equal to LP multiply 1 minus D1 multiply 1 minus D2, and then substitute it to RM 23,000 multiply 1 minus 0.12 multiply 1 minus 0.09. The answer is RM 18,493.40 ringgit. The price of each dress is RM 18,493.40 ringgit divided by 150. The answer is RM 123.29 ringgit. The question B is, find the last day to receive a 5% cash discount. 5% cash discount is 20 days because the term of 5% cash discount in 20 days. 12 November plus 20 days, we get the last day is 2 December. Question C is the last question. The amount ought to be paid if the payment was made on 25 November 2022. So, customer will get 5% discount because the last day get cash discount of 5% is 2 December. However, the amount customer should be paid is 23,000 multiply 1 minus 0.12 multiply 1 minus 0.09 multiply 1 minus 0.05 plus the transportation charge is RM 75 ringgit. The answer is RM 17,572.48 ringgit.